Hello, my name is Michael Wilson from McAllen, Texas. The type of community I'm actually working on is that I wrote a book. Actually, I have a book up here somewhere. It's Network Like a Millionaire. Oops, got a reflection on that. And I'm actually trying to use a method that school is really big on, is a way of focusing on my expertise. Actually, my dissertation will be on networking. I'm actually trying to see how I can gamify networking using the school platform. And so that will be my community. Is actually it'll help actually other school community owners and also any people from the outside of school to come in and actually build their network. Remember, your net worth is your network. And so that's the type of community I'm actually building. I'm building it right now. It's not built yet, but as I'm going through this, I'm actually building it as I learn how to do this. I have been an expert for the longest time on building local communities, but not. I even own a franchise on it's called Network Lead Exchange, which is a community builder, but it focuses on local. This is the first time I'm doing it virtually, and I'm super excited, and I see the opportunity is a lot greater than what I've been doing locally. And so let's see what I'm hoping to get out of this. The Community Profit Accelerator. My mind is blowing up. I want to get as much information as possible. I'm like addicted right now. I want to just freaking learn. I'm super excited about this. And Doug and his brother are doing a really good job about this. I'm learning a lot from what they're doing right here. Not only their content, but I'm looking at their community and how they're doing. It's amazing. I'm looking forward to it. And so I'm ready to take the challenge and do this. I'll see y'all on the inside. Bye.